Hello everyone. Today we're discussing about how to change results waveform, backgrounds, black color to white color in the different MATLAB versions. Okay. First of all, we need to run a model in MATLAB version 2016. Okay. So this is the software for the 2016 software. I'm running a model that is present in the current folder. Okay. I'm just opening this model. Run this model on this run button. After execution, we having results in the scope block. Click on the scope block. You visible the results for this model in the scope block. Okay, these are the waveforms for the current and voltage for the steady state analysis of a circuit. So here we having background color black now. So we need to change this black color into white. How we are going to change this black color into white? Just click on this button, print display to figure. In this image we having show plot tools and dock figure. Click on this icon. So in this way we having a command window. Okay, then change the color into white. In this way we need to change the color. Okay, and also we need to change the color of the waveform. Suppose if you want to change it into red, click on the red icon, red color, and we need to change the, suppose if you want to change the axis, x-axis and y-axis names. In this way we need to change the x-axis and y-axis. I will show you how to change the x-axis and y-axis. Suppose this is the current waveform na. So in x label take time as a variable for the x-axis. For y variable take current parameter as a variable for it. This is the way to change the background color black into white. Then we need to save this image. We having two processes to save the images. In first way, go to file and save as. Here we having save type as a JPG image format. Okay, JPG image format, and change the name whatever the name we require. I am saving this image as a current. Okay, I am changing this image as a current waveform on the desktop icon. Okay, now you see on the desktop icon we having the result image. Okay, this is the image for the whatever the process we have done there. Okay, this is the one format to save the results, and also we having another format to save the results. Suppose this is the result, we need to save this image in the document. For this process we need to click on the search snipping tool. Okay, snipping tool, and cut the whatever the required image we want and paste it wherever we required. Suppose I required it is in a document format. Save the image in the document. Okay, paste the image. So this is the way to change the background colors and to save the results in the document. Okay, this is the format for the 2016 version. We need to change add this way in 2011 softwares. Okay, 2011 or 2009. below the 2011 softwares we need to change like this way. Initially check the model scope. In scope block we need to check the variable that is saved in the workspace or not. Suppose check on the scope parameters, click on the history icon. Here save data to workspace. Okay, save data to workspace and variable name is results. Change the format structure with time. Okay, then click on it. After running the model, okay, this is the way to run the model in 2011 version. Okay, after running the model we having results that will be stored in the workspace. Type the code simplot and name the variable that is stored in the save to data workspace. Okay, so this results is similar to these results. This results is similar to these results. What we are doing here is I am just saving these results in the format of results. Okay, that's why in this way we need to change the background colors. Okay, then click on this show plot tools and dock image on here and then change the colors. And also change the axis colors also. In this way we need to change the colors of the backgrounds, whatever the backgrounds we have. Suppose if you have black background, then we need to change into white in this way. Okay, and also name the labels. Suppose here I am taking time and current parameter. Okay, for this also voltage. Okay, in this way we need to change the background color and x-axis and y-axis parameters. Okay, and save this model into the required format. Okay, so this is the way to turn the background colors black into white. Okay, in different versions of the MATLAB. Thank you for watching this video. Like this video and subscribe me. Okay.